Getting started with your organization is simple, fast, and designed for complete control from day one. Begin by setting up your organization details, including the organization name, display name, contact number, email, country, and time zone. These fields are mandatory and come predefined from your initial super admin setup. Next, upload your organization's logo using the Upload Logo option. And do the same for the favicon. Once done, update the address, which is optional, along with the default currency, which is a mandatory field. Additionally, in the top right corner of the screen, you will find a toggle for onboarding email. When enabled, it sends a confirmation email upon successful creation of your organization's TeamTrace account. Once everything is set, review your configuration and you're ready to go.